Good morning, students. I am Ms. Republica Borgohain, Assistant Professor, Assam Downtown University, Guwahati, Department of Pharmaceutical Science. So today I will be going to discuss about the introduction part, that is for amino acids. So here, first of all, I'll be giving the definition what is amino acid. So an amino acid, it's a bifunctional organic molecule that contains both a carboxyl group, that is COOH, as well as an amine group NH2. Amino acids derived from proteins have the amino group on the alpha carbon, that is the carbon atom next to the carboxyl group. We also know that amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. There are 300 amino acids that occur in nature. So among those, only 22 are known as standard amino acids that commonly occur in proteins. The amino acids differ in the nature of R group attached to carbon atom. The nature of R group, it determines the properties of proteins. So this is the general formula for amino acid. And now the amino acids, they are the structural units that make up proteins. They join together to form short polymer chains called peptides, or longer chains called either polypeptides or proteins. These polymers are linear and unbranched, with each amino acid within the chain attached to two neighboring amino acids. The process of making proteins, it's called translation, and it involves the step-by-step addition of amino acids to a growing protein chain by a ribozyme, that is called a ribosome. The order in which the amino acids are added is read through the genetic code from a mRNA template, which is a RNA copy of one of the organism's genes. There are 22 amino acids and they are naturally incorporated into polypeptides and are called proteinogenic or the natural amino acids. So there are 22 amino acids which are naturally incorporated into polypeptides, and they are termed as natural amino acids. So out of that 22 amino acids, 20 are encoded by the universal genetic code. The remaining two, that is selenocysteine and pyrrolysine, are incorporated into proteins by unique synthetic mechanisms. So the 20 amino acids, they are determined by the universal genetic code, and the rest of the two, that is selenocysteine and pyrrolysine, they are incorporated into proteins by unique synthetic mechanisms. So selenocysteine is incorporated when the mRNA is being translated. So now comes the nomenclature of amino acids. So all amino acids have trivial names. For example, NH2, CH2, COOH is better known as glycine, and rather than amino acetic acid or 2-amino ethanoic acid. So NH2, CH2, COOH, it's better termed as glycine, or it may also be termed as amino acetic acid or 2-amino ethanoic acid. So these trivial names usually reflect the property of that compound or its source. For example, glycine is so named since it has sweet taste. In Greek, glykos means sweet, and tyrosine was first obtained from cheese. So in Greek, tyros means cheese. Now comes the peptide bond formation. So we know that proteins are formed by joining the carboxyl group of one amino acid to the A amino group of another amino acid. The bond formed between these two amino acids by the elimination of a water molecule is called a peptide linkage or bond. The product formed by linking amino acid molecules through peptide linkages, that is CONH, is called a peptide. Peptides are further designated as di, tri, tetra or pentapeptides accordingly as they contain 2, 3, 4 or 5 amino acid molecules, same or different or joined together. So in my next video, I will be discussing about the classification of amino acids. So this was a small introduction regarding amino acid, what is its definition, and how comes the following disorders occurs. Thank you.